Blinds for roof windows are very practical accessories. Let us tell you what they can give you.
You can find different kinds of blinds for roof windows. There are external blinds and internal blinds. There are also some misconceptions about them that need to be explained.
Why some of them can give you nice design in the room, while the other ones can protect your room from the overheating. We'll explain it in a nutshell. Let's start with internal blinds. This is the ARF royal blind for roof windows. Its main features are covering the window, so we can have more privacy, shading the room so we can sleep better, or even watch the movie like in a theater. And of course, enriching the design of the interior. The ARF royal blinds are available in different colors or even with the individual graphics. They come in different versions that can be controlled manually or remotely. However, if you need to protect your room from the overheating, you need something more.
And here comes the AMZ external awning blind. This is how it looks. A very important feature of the AMZ awning blinds is that they prevent the rooms from overheating. Special fabric used in the AMZ absorbs the heat but lets the light in so it's not too dark in the room. Placing the AMZ outside the window helps protect the rooms from overheating. Here's how it works. The AMZ absorbs the sun heat before it even reaches the window, so that heat is not being released into the room and the air inside stays cool and comfortable. If we used only internal blind, the heat absorbed by it would be released into the room and it could get hot inside. So the result of using AMZ awning blinds is the room with cooler air and enough natural light to feel good inside while working or just having some free time. To sum up, internal roller blinds like ARF give us design, shade and privacy.
External awning blinds like AMZ help us keep the interiors cool during the hot days while letting the natural light inside the rooms.
If you have any questions, you can write them down in the comments or contact us via website given in the video description.
Thank you for your attention and until next time.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.